So hello guys, for the next episode I'm gonna show you how to connect the printer Canon PIXMA TS3720 to phone. So first step is to set up instruction, scan the code to connect. So like this one. So as you can see, this one is TS3720 setup. So start to connect the printer from the phone. Set up a new printer. Set up a new printer. Connect to computer, to smartphone. And as you can see, connect to a smartphone Android. And download the printer app. Okay, while waiting, so this one area is for scanner right here. And okay, so Canon printer application, just open. Okay, to continue the information, please agree. All agree. Check all. Okay. While using the apps, allowed. Connect to the printer, yes. Location, okay. But receiving is enabled, okay, yes. Search, yes. And before that, this please connect this one to connect the phone to printer right here, signal and phone. And to connect, please click this button, 3 seconds. 1 2 3 4 right here. So as you can see, I will click the button and to 3 seconds for the 3 seconds. Then next, while waiting, with the printer name, and up here select your printer. Set up Wi-Fi with the following Canon. This is the name. So okay. When your printer detected in the next screen, tap the button to connect your phone printer. Next. Canon. And processing. Please wait. The printer will be connected to the following bell. Yes. And then wait for the few seconds. Just wait. Waiting for the 150 seconds to connect the printer and the phone. Okay. And done. Done to connect phone and the printer. Keep your printer up to date. Yes. Yes. Communicating with printer. Please wait. And continue. And done. Done. Choose your favorite photos and your documents to connect your. Okay. Document printer. For example, like this one. Document printer. All documents. I will try to my documents. Documents. Like this one. So I will select this document and wait. And the next, this one is colored, so I will print that. So next. So okay, yes. So loading. I will change that. Change the setting. 850 by 11. So 850 by 11. Okay. Okay, and we all done. So we all done. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, please watch, like, and share.